Hey, just wanted to jump in and show a recent campaign I'm doing for one of my clients that it does permanent makeup. I'm so excited about this campaign because it got off to a good start. I'm always excited to see leads coming in. The thing that I'm very, very excited about and happy about is that we were able to get this campaign optimized down at 57 cents per lead. I mean, that is astounding. That is like next level. So already this client has 154 leads and it hasn't even been a week yet. It'll be a week tomorrow, and I promise you, if I was to document tomorrow morning when I wake up, this is going to be an even higher number. I mean, that's just how confident I am in this campaign. That's just how on fire the target has been for this client. I'm just like wow. I can't wait to reproduce these results again and again and again. That's what I love about this. And that's why I decided to start documenting this, because before I just usually take screenshots and everything, but I want you guys to really see that this is real. This is really, something that, you could do for your business if you're not doing already. I mean, this client, services are hundreds of dollars. So to be able to get a lead in, to be able to pay $57 for a lead that could turn into hundreds of dollars, I mean, like, who wouldn't do that? I mean, I'm going to raise my hand all day if you can, send me a client that's going to pay me $300 and all you want is 60 cents. Okay, Facebook, that you got a deal. You got yourself a deal. So I just wanted to hop on and show you guys that. And then if you look, again, just look at how much leads can cost you if you don't run a optimize enough campaign. I mean, 1388, 945, which, some of these numbers might not be bad depending on how much, you charge for your services, but, nothing beats that 57 cents. So I just wanted to hop on and show you guys that. And yeah, man, I'll keep you updated on all these numbers. All right. Until next time, I love you. Bye-bye.